Hello, my name is Daniel, and in this video we will unbox, test, and review the new 2025 Fan Edition folding knife from Lidl. The package was already cut, so we can think this was a return. I will tell you why I think that later. This was a cheap knife. We don't expect high quality from a €4 tool. The first issue I see with this folding knife is the lock button. It must be pressed really hard to open the knife. This is why I think this was a returned product. I don't have an issue with this, so let's move on and test the blade. The blade is sharp enough to cut without extra sharpening. Let's say I'm lost and need to spend the night in the forest. Can I make a fire and survive the night? I made a mess and still no fire. I need to practice more. Even after all this work, the blade was not affected and still looks and feels like new. I love this knife. Good to have in a backpack when exploring the nature. It's cheap and has a quality blade, except the handle, which is kinda soft and easy to bend. Do you like it? Do you want more Lidl products to be tested on my channel? Thank you for watching and have a great day. Please comment your thought on this.